If you are trading on chain, there is a huge platform coming and it is launched by Banana Gun. Yes guys, Banana Gun, one of the biggest Telegram trading bots, is launching something new. And when I came across this, I thought straight away, I need to make a video about this because we all know Banana Gun. And Banana Gun is making already a total profit of $11 million. And only in the last 30 days, they made $1 million in revenue from the current trading bot in Telegram. But what if I told you that these guys are building right now a complete new platform similar to Bullx and also Axiom? And we know both platforms, right? But the difference here is Banana Gun is sharing their revenue with their holders. So what we see here, 11 million, a huge portion of that goes to Banana Gun. So guess what? The users of Banana Gun are holding the token, using the platform, which makes it more like a community project. And that is the basic. And why I'm saying community project, I mean with that is they want to have the best user experience for the users because the users are also giving more feedback to them. So based on that, I want to dive deeper into the platform. I tried it myself. I thought like, hey, how does it work? Is it better? And why I'm so bullish on this. So first of all, it is a trading platform for on-chain projects. You see this menu. How you start, there's a link inside the description which guides you to the official website. After that, you can create an account and then you see this. And in the first part of this video, I want to talk in general about the project, what is possible and what not. After that, I want to talk about what kind of information you can get from the platform, because if you are trading on chain, you want to have all the information you need. And I have to say, they give valuable information about top traders, top wallets to make the best decision for yourself. So let's start. This bottom area gives you the opportunity to create several sections. You can see trade, the trenches. This is more like the pump fund section on Banana Gun. Then we have top traders. I added this section. We have top holders, and then it shows the top traders and top holders of the project you are looking for. So I'm looking at Troll and I want to know this information because I want to buy the token or want to sell the token. And we even have more things. We can do copy trading, we can do dollar cost average buying, we can pending orders, positions, sniping is even possible. So there is a whole menu and there is also a lot of things possible with this menu, and I like it because maybe I am not using everything. So what I can do, I can just not add these parts, but I want to add top traders, I want to add top holders because I want to know who is holding the token and who is trading the token. Beside that, on the left side, you can see your own watch list. So add tokens you are actively trading on or you want to hold them. You can add them to this list. And also it gives on the right side a lot of useful information about the market cap, the liquidity pool, but also changes in the last 24 hours. And there's also a very easy mechanism to buy and sell projects. So what we can do is buy, we can even do limit orders. So if you're not behind the computer, you can do limit orders, click on it, how much you want to buy. I want to buy 1 soul as an example, and even MAV protection, you can make it public. There's so much things possible. So this was the general overview of the platform. I want to now dive deeper into what is possible, what kind of data you can extract from a platform. So for that, I go to top traders. I want to see who made the most profits. Is it the team with new wallets, or are smart people also buying the project? And what we see here is we can see that this wallet, number one, this wallet bought 220 million of Troll. He sold 90. He's still holding a decent amount, but he made 40,000 soul profit. Then the next one we see is this wallet, 1.7k soul in profit. He sold everything, but we can also see active 90 days. And with that, we can check all top traders of this project. Do we want to know the top holders? We click on this one. Now we can see the wallet, how much he bought, how much he sold, and then we give a clear overview also about the top traders. And I have to say, guys, I spoke with the Banana Gun team. I said like, hey, Is there something else upcoming? Are you improving the platform? Yes, they are improving the platform. So I want to make multiple videos about the Banana Gun platform when new updates roll out. So this is just the first video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Crypto June channel. And the next thing I want to say is like, hey, I get so many requests of people that are asking me like, hey, do you have a private group? No, I don't have it yet. I want to set it up, but I want to know from you, do you like a Telegram group or a Discord group? And in these kind of groups, I want you to connect with like-minded people. And beside that, I want to give more tutorial videos on platforms like this, how you use it in the best way to even find smart wallets who are making millions of dollars in profits on chain, and we can find them, we can track them, and then we can trade on Banana Gun as an example. So if you also want to know more about that, let me know in the comments, Telegram or Discord, and let's get back to the platform of Banana Gun, guys, because it's nice. Now getting to the trenches part of this video, and this is like pump fun, where we can see also some speed up mechanisms. And with that I mean like, hey, you can fill in an amount that you want to buy very quickly. So as an example, if you want to buy 0.1 Sol or you want to buy 0.5 Sol in each project that you click on, then you click just here 0.5. After that you see the banana. If you click on that one, it buys 0.15 Sol. And it is sometimes needed to do this because sometimes the chart is moving so fast that you want to ape fast. And Banana Gun is fast. They have their own router, so it's faster than any other trading bot on chain, guys. So if you want to have fast buys and fast sells, use Banana Gun. So guys, it was the first video about Banana Gun. I hope you learned something about Banana Gun. There's a link inside the description which guides you to Banana Gun. So click on it, get some benefits for using that link, and check it out yourself. There's way more updates coming, more videos. So don't forget, click on like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.